Hi guys, we are now going to the greenhouse. Quick tour. Let's go. This is our greenhouse. And then you can look here there. So as you can see now guys, this is cabbage and another variety of cabbage, and other is cauliflower, corn, and many other crops. So come here. So you can see now here it's a very good quality cabbage. All right. So you can make harvest of this. So see guys, it's very healthy. I will cook tonight this one. I will make chop suey recipe. Come guys, we'll go to the goat farm on the other side, so you can see how is our goat farm. Here now, this is our goat farm. All right, so looking yeah, let's go to the goat farm. This is our goat farm. So now guys, we're approaching now to the dairy farm. You can face now there. Our storage room, and this side also our cheese factory. All right, facing there, Rashid. All right, now in front of you, that is our dairy farm. Hi guys, hope you can visit our farm soon. Before Charlie K and my daughter visited the farm back to 2017 and 2018. They're visiting here. So now this is our dairy. You can see now Mr. Rashid. Show there. Okay, and this side, in the right side, you can see that is our hay, food for our cows. So here, Rashid, here you can see there is we have disinfection for our car, and every time there is a car entry, so there is like there is spray. So okay, so now there, so now this is our dairy farm. Okay, this is our dairy farm, and then look at now. This is how we can. This is our cows. You can see here now, this is our cows. Yeah, every time they have a time to eat also. So now I want you to show our dairy farm is It's a very, very nice once you visit it. Once you visit, all right. So now I want you to show where the cow when they are feeding time. Here, come out, Mr. Cameraman. Okay, come. This is our cows. Here, cows here. Around 5,000 cows here in our farm. Every time we have 60,000 liters. As you can see, good view. Alright guys, now let's go to our date farm. Come. So now guys, we're going to our date palms. So this one in front of you, this is our baby cows. It's there, baby cows. This in this area, all are baby cows. You can show Mr. Cameraman. Yes, you can see now baby cow is there. Baby cow is there. Alright, so now guys, let's go to our palm trees and fruit trees. How are you, Mr. Rashid?
I'm okay, how are you?
Uliocha?
Jendi muganda wange.
Mukwana wange.
Mkwano gwange.
Here in our farm, we have dairy farm section. We have fertilizer section. We have what is this? We have date section. We have vegetable section. We have dairy factory. We have poultry factory. So I'm the technical crop advisor slash agriculture engineer, handling biological control. So here guys, you can visit now. You can see now here this side. So you can we will visit some here. Come inside. So now here our fruit trees. Come, Mr. Rashid. Let's come. So you can show here. You can show here. We have date palm and interval with oranges. We have this one. So very fresh. Look at this, guys. We have very nice. This one you can make juices. So look at now, guys, see? So come, let's visit to our camp accommodation. Come. See, now I harvest the cabbage. And now I harvested the oranges. So let's go to the camp. Alright? Alright, Rashid? Alright. Now guys, let's go to our accommodation. But first, I forgot, we'll visit our organic fertilizer factory. It's there. We are approaching now guys to our organic fertilizer. We have cow manure, we have chicken manure, we have mixed manure fertilizers for greenhouses, for open field, for fruit trees, for the golf course, for the gardening. So we have all of these. So here you can see here we have this, we have all makina. So here facing here, so this is our factory where we process our fertilizers. So look at, you can see guys. See guys, in front of that, that is our organic fertilizer. So now guys, let's go to the in front of you also, that is our farm. So now guys, Rashid foot in the front. In front of you guys, that is the famous mountain in Alain, United Arab Emirates. That is Jabil Hafid. So that is tourist spot in Alain. You can see that one. So guys, now let's go to our accommodation. Hi Rashid, how are you Rashid, cameraman? Good.
Good, everything is fine.
Jandy, Olonzi.
Good, yeah.
Let's see. Now guys, this is our cheese factory. In this side, this is our cheese factory. Okay, cheese factory. And then this is our accommodation, wherein our laborers stay. So this is the one. This is our in front of that. That is our accommodation. Now Now to end this video, guys, I'm so thankful that you watch this video. Hope you like and subscribe and hit the notification of Truly K, and for more video, keep watching. So guys, so here, so I've been enough for this video. So guys, please come, cameraman. Guys, thank you for watching for this video. I'm so happy you watched this video for a quick farm tour at my workplace here in Alin, United Arab Emirates. Thank you, guys.